Hi there, Bart here again from BodjaBart. We're going to get in and maybe turn down this back axle for what we did last time to get it to fit inside that bearing. So we've got to turn this down and we'll get into that today. Alright. Just remember the measurement, I had to make sure it wasn't in the middle. I think it was 398, wasn't it? It was an oddball one. Right. I cut this with the hacksaw, made a bit of a mess of it, so I'll have to clean it up first. We'll do that. Face the front edge, just here. Poke it back. Rightio. That there, chuck key out, lathes on. Turning tools done. Rightio. Okay, let's see. Sorry if you can't see much with the light, because this light, I need this light to see what I'm doing. Tuck these in, I don't want to get this wrapped around the, I should take them out. Wrap it around anything. Alright, let's get into it. That'll do. I'll be able to take the rest out when I turn it down to the measurement I want. Right. I'm going to have to see what we've got. I'll be back in a minute. I need a tape measure. Alright, back, here we go. We've got a measurement now of... Okay, I was hoping it would be a bit longer, but because I stuffed up when I cut it with the hacksaw, because I didn't cut it straight, that's right, we're at 645. Okay. And our middle measurement between each thing has got to be that magic number of 398. Right. So we'll get the centre of this one now, which is also 646 actually, 646. So half of 600 is 300. And half of 46, 23. Alright. I'll go this way. Alright. We have 323. Right, glasses. Here we go. So we've got the middle, I think. 323 from that side, and 323 from that side, okie dokie. So that is the middle. Now what we need is to go, there's Shelby, she's wondering where I am. We better go and get her, and I need to get a ruler anyway. Right, so what do we say, Shelby, where are you? Don't you want to come over here? Come here. Come on. You want to come? Hey? Do you want to come? We show Shelby? Where is she? Hey, there she is. Hello, sweetie. Hey, want to say good, eh? Hey, here we go. Hey, yeah. Hey, alrighty. Good girl. Alright, even a scratch. Good girl. Alright, 398. So what we want is half of 398. Well, half of 300 is 150. And half of 98, which is nearly 100, isn't it? So that would be 50, so minus that, 49. Oh yeah. So that's 199. Is that right? 199? I think that's right. Oh, dumb, it's 150. I need to go 199. Nearly made a mistake. Actually, 199, it's right there. Turn that around that way. 199 from there. Alright. And our measurement from there to there is 122. What have we got there? 122. Right. That's what we want. Hello, looks like Shelby wants out. She's doesn't want. You want to go out, darling? Hey? Do you want to go and see Mum? Come on, dear. You don't want to stay with me. Too noisy. Rightio. We'll clean this whole shaft. She's a little bit rusty, but we'll clean her up later. So what we'll do is, we reckon it was 122 through to there. So we'll go 120 to start, 120 to start with, so that we don't make a boo-boo. Rightio. Won't matter too much. I can always cut a bit more and we can slip washers in as packers. So it's not too bad. So what we've got to do is we've got to turn this down. That bearing that I showed you the other day, which I have here, remember this bearing? And we reckon that was, what did we reckon that was? Put it on 0. On 0. 0 we are. And it was 25, I believe, wasn't it? Yeah, 25.06. And this here is, I've lost the cap on that. Yeah, this here is 29, nearly 30 mil. Alright, let's see what we go. So we've got to get it down to 25. time this video posts, I would have done my giveaway of a t-shirt for somebody at school. I'm getting, and I would have given it away to them, and hopefully they will enjoy that, would have enjoyed it. We're just getting the kids that subscribe or that are watching me on YouTube the chance to win a t-shirt, one t-shirt at the end of this term. I might do one at the end of next term as well, just to give them a bit of something. Right, what have we got now? Ooh, 27.08. Good one. All right. Lathe not cutting true. Gonna have to look into that, see what's causing that. I'm fatter this end than I am this end, and therefore it's taking too much off down this end, the end that counts. So there's something wrong here. Not happy. Rightio, we'll call that quits there for now. I'll still have to get it right down to here. I've got to do the other end, and we still got to turn this down so we can put a thread on it, put a nut and a washer so it doesn't pull off. But it should be okay. And what probably else we have to do is that hub is bigger, so we're going to have to make a sleeve to go in there, and we have to cut a keyway in there somehow. And I was going to try and do it in the lathe, but what I might do, I might just grind it. What do you reckon? Let's see how we go. Yep, back again. As you can see, I've turned down both ends. This one, and the bearing fits on them nicely, slides in. But I think I might have made a mistake in not making it long enough. But I do think that we will be able to make it work, because I still have to put a sleeve over here yet for this here, you see. So there's got to be a sleeve put on that, and then the bearing fits in there. So this was meant to extend out there so I can bolt it in, but as you can see, it's not going to do. I have to drill a hole in there, put a bolt and a sleeve on that, and then it'll bolt down on there. So it's all salvageable, I think, but that is the back axle. And we'll have to put a sprocket on here and a brake disc on this side, and we'll be right. More things to make. Oh well. Never dull moment. So that's that for this one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.